Hello friends, you can log on to primeaptacademy.com to access complete free video courses. So this is the question from CAT exam held in year 2001. So question says over here, the following sketch shows the pipelines carrying material from one location to another. Each location has a demand for material. The demand at Vaishali is 400, at Jyotishmati is 400, at Panchal is 700, and at Vidisha is 200. Each arrow indicates the direction of the material flow through the pipeline. The flow from Vaishali to Jyotishmati is 300. The quantity of material flow is such that the demands at all locations are exactly met. The capacity of each pipeline is 1000. Okay. So basically this is the data. We'll see the kind of question it says. The quantity moved from Avanti to Vidisha is how much? The free capacity available in one of the pipelines. And then what is the free capacity available in other pipeline? That's the question. So basically what we have to figure out is exactly how the material is flowing. Okay. Now what we have been given is, I'll just expand it, that at Vaishali the demand is 400. So let me write the demand here, 400 at Vaishali. At Jyotishmati is also 400. This is the demand. At Panchal is 700. And at Vidisha is 200. Now you see the direction flow is like this, only in this forward direction. Okay. So now if you look at it from Jyotishmati, 700 has to go to Panchal, because to Panchal only Jyotishmati is supplying. So in this pipeline, 700 is supplied. Alright. So 700 is supplied in this pipeline, so Panchal will get the 700. Now Jyotishmati has 400 requirement. So 400 is required for Jyotishmati. Also it has been given the flow from Vaishali to Jyotishmati is 300. So that means here it is 300 in this direction. Now if you look at it, Jyotishmati, 400 is its own requirement. 700 it supplies. So that means 400 plus 700. 1100 should reach Jyotishmati, because 400 will be used by Jyotishmati and 700 will be forwarded to Panchal. So 1100, which is 400 plus 700, will reach Jyotishmati. 300 is reaching through Vaishali. So 800 should reach through this channel of Vidisha. Okay, because 300 plus 800 is 1100. Okay. Now coming to this Vidisha. Vidisha needs 200 for itself, and 800 it has to supply to Jyotishmati. So that means 200 plus 800, 1000 should reach Vidisha, because out of 1000, 200 Vidisha will keep for itself and 800 it will supply to Jyotishmati. So Vidisha get all the supply from Avanti. So all 1000 should come from Avanti to Vidisha. So 1000 comes from Avanti to Vidisha, 200 Vidisha keeps here, and 800 is supplied to Jyotishmati. Finally, Avanti to Vaishali we have to figure out. Now Vaishali supplies 300 to Jyotishmati, 400 it uses for itself. That means 700 should reach Vaishali. That is 400 plus 300. So 700 goes from Avanti to Vaishali. So now we know all the flow of materials. Okay. Now looking at the questions. The quantity moved from Avanti to Vidisha is from Avanti to Vidisha. So 1000 quantity moves from Avanti to Vidisha. So answer option D, 1000 is the correct answer here. Okay. We'll look at the next question. It says the free capacity available in Avanti Vaishali pipeline. So we have been given that the total capacity is 1000. So Avanti Vaishali 700 is being transferred. So free is 300, which is 1000 minus 700. So 300 is free, which is answer option D. Okay. And finally the last question of this set says, what is the free capacity available in Avanti Vidisha pipeline? So Avanti Vidisha, if you look at it, Avanti Vidisha 1000 is being supplied. So there is no free capacity in Avanti Vidisha pipeline. So 0 is the answer. Answer option D, 0 is the answer here. Okay. So this is all about this set.